guys, this is Vidushi. Welcome back to another episode of What to Watch. Now, since last time मैंने कोई What to Watch का episode नहीं डाला था, which was in April 2021, so I thought कि इस बार I'm going to combine all the shows and movies जो मैंने April और May दोनों months में देखे, and I'm going to suggest those movies and shows to you guys. So let's start. Alright, so first of all, we have Lucifer's 5th season, which is available on Netflix, and it is still going on and I'm still watching the show, so I won't give a lot of spoilers. But जिन्होंने उसका first season या first to fourth season नहीं देखा है, I would really advise you guys to watch it because it's a full masala show and you'll have a great time watching it. It's like a murder mystery, with a really attractive and handsome main character. So please watch it. I'm sure you guys will have a lot of fun. I think girls will have a lot of fun watching this show, so please watch it. Alright, next up again we have a murder mystery which is known as Mare of Easttown. It stars Kate Winslet in a very different role. We haven't seen Kate Winslet in this avatar ever. It is again about a murder that happens in Pennsylvania and Kate Winslet is playing a detective, so she kind of tries to solve the case and tries to solve the crime that has happened and taken place and how it also affects her personal life. So it's very intriguing, very interesting, very gripping. Watch it. Next, we have this amazing show called The Serpent, which is available on Netflix. Now, this again is a British crime drama. Again, a murder mystery. Actually, not just a murder mystery, but it has lots and lots of murders and lots of crime. But it's a very visually appealing show. I mean, this is about the serial killer called Charles Shobraj, who is very famous, जिसके ऊपर ये movie भी बन चुकी है, which is मैं और Charles, which starred Randeep Hooda. Now, this show is about this serial killer who was also known as the Bikini Killer, and he kind of used to prey on these hippie travelers जो usually solo travel करते थे या they were kind of lonely in their life and they were looking for a purpose and they really didn't know what to do and they were just wandering here and there. So he used to kind of lure them, pose like a gem dealer and get them to his house and बेसिकली फिर उनका मर्डर करके वो उनकी सारी पासपोर्ट्स रख लेता था ताकि वो अपनी आइडेंटिटी चेंज कर सके टू ट्रैवल टू अ लॉट ऑफ कंट्रीज. सो ही वाज इनसेन, ही वाज क्रेजी, ही वाज अ साइकोपैथ. चार्ल्स शोब्राज's character is played by Tahir Rahim. I mean, I just love him, although his character is so brutal, but I'm in love with the actor. I think he has done a fantastic job, and the main thing that I really liked about this show was the whole look and feel of 70s, and you could see Thailand in 70s and beautiful locations of Kashmir and Nepal and all of these places. So it's visually very appealing, and the fashion, the clothes that these guys wear are really colorful and nice. So you would have a great time watching it. It's very gripping and very entertaining. It is a limited series. It only has I think 6 or 8 episodes. So jaldi khatam ho jayega. So please watch it. You will have a nice time. The other show which I would really like you guys to watch is called Woody vs. Allen. Now, this show is actually a documentary which captures the real life events that happened in the life of this famous writer, actor, director Woody Allen and a famous and a top-notch Hollywood actress Mia Farrow. So both of these people used to date each other, and Mia herself and with Woody had adopted some children, and it is about how Woody Allen actually sexually abuses one of their children and how he kind of gets away with it just because he was so famous and just because he was a big shot in New York City, because all of his films used to be based on New York City, and that's why he had a lot of hold on the government. He knew a lot of politicians and all these big shot people. So yeah, it's all about how a kid's life got affected because of this and how nobody actually believed her when she said that she was sexually abused by this hotshot film director. It's very sad but a very hard-hitting story which I think you guys should definitely watch, and I loved the show. It was really nice. Please watch it. So moving on to movies, the first movie that I would like to recommend you guys to watch is Sandeep or Pinky Farrar. It's about the characters Sandeep and Pinky who are actually Farrar and who are actually hiding from this one particular person who works in a bank. मैं ज़्यादा story नहीं बताऊंगी, आप खुद देखना. It is directed by Dibakar Banerjee and it is written by Dibakar Banerjee and Varun Grover. तो मेरी actually काफी ज़्यादा expectations थी इस movie से, and I wouldn't say that it's an amazing film. Yeah, oh my god, what a movie. But I had a great time watching it. Acting बहुत अच्छी है सब लोगों, परिणीति चोपड़ा, अर्जुन कपूर, everybody has acted really well. And then we have Neena Gupta and Raghuveer Yadav and all of these people. So definitely like बहुत बहुत अच्छी acting की है. Although बीच में मुझे थोड़ा लगा कि slow हो जाती है, but then still like it's a good movie. बहुत टाइम के बाद एक अच्छी हिंदी पिक्चर आई है, so please ये वाली देख लेना. Alright, lastly we have this beautiful film called Minari. It's actually a South Korean film which is directed by Lee Isaac Chung and it is available on Amazon Prime Video. It's a very simple film about this South Korean family that actually moves from Korea to America to kind of fulfill their dreams. Also at the same time it explores the whole cultural shock that the family members, the kids and the wife go through when they come to a foreign land. So all of these small details are depicted very beautifully in the film. The one thing that I really loved about this film was that it does not focus on achieving the objective. It's about the journey, it's about not giving up, it's about the hardships, it's about the sacrifices that you have to make. And it actually reminded me of some Jhumpa Lahiri novels like The Namesake and even Interpreter of Maladies, because Jhumpa Lahiri is actually known for writing such stories. So it's quite interesting, very sweet. Watch it, you will have a nice time. Alright guys, so I hope you liked the video. Let me know about the suggestions. आपको कौन से shows, आपको कौन सी movies अच्छी लगी, comment करो, मुझे बताओ, and I'll be back with another video on Friday. So you guys take care and bye.